It's not a secret that Indians love their food. But what is this leading to? A recent study says that 1 in every 4 Indians is obese. That's what unhealthy eating is leading us to. We also seem to be the most uninformed foodies on earth because we certainly don't know about the hidden sugars that we are consuming in the packaged foods that we are eating. How can we then go about reading the labels right? Wait, do we even have the right labels on packaged foods, biscuits, chips, savories, canned juices? No, say experts. And this is the time to expedite laws on front of pack labeling with clear timelines. The recommendations to bring about adequate changes in front of pack labeling rules have been pending with the FSSAI for 7 years now, but this is only gathering dust. Nutrition experts, public health advocates and civil society organizations advise that we do this on a priority basis. The consensus is that warning labels are the only approach that has demonstrated a real-world change in purchasing and reformulation to reduce obesity, hypertension, and many nutrition-related communicable diseases. Sri Lanka implemented color coding on food items for sugar, salt, and fat in the month of January early this year. Take a look at how it works. The country says color coding has helped in creating consumer awareness, is a useful tool for health constraints, and is being used as a regulatory tool even to restrict sales of unhealthy foods in schools and in hospitals. Statistics provided by the Indian Council of Medical Research point towards the direction that deaths because of non-communicable diseases have increased in the country. This has jumped up from 38% in the year 1990 to 62% in the year 2016. According to the National Family Health Survey 5, almost 17% of India's adult male population and over 14% of adult female population is diabetic. This proportion was 8% and 6% in the National Family Health Survey number 4. A 2020 ICMR NCDIR, which is the National Center for Disease Informatics and Research, report says that over 28% of Indians suffer from high blood pressure. Over 42% of the urban population and 18% of the rural population is actually overweight. National Family Health Survey number 5 points to another disconcerting truth. There has been an increase in obesity in women in 16 of the 22 states surveyed. The number for men is 19 states. Also, in 20 of the 22 states, increasing number of children are becoming overweight. Experts say that Indians are experiencing what is known as a dietary shift. Real food is not being consumed, factory food is being consumed. So what is factory food really? Anything that is high on sugar, on salt, on saturated fats and trans fats is classified as factory food. All of this is actually junk food. It is aggressively promoted and it is widely available. Researchers from the Center for Science and Environment say that in India, nutrients to be displayed on the FOP label should be total fat, total sugar and salt against saturated fat, added sugar and sodium. Consumers then have the right to know which food is bad for them and they need to know it right on the front of the package of the food to make an informed choice.